Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log out from your VistaCreate account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to VistaCreate website. Simply type create.vista.com in your address bar and click on enter. You will be directed to official homepage of VistaCreate. Now, go to your profile icon. In the top right corner of VistaCreate dashboard, you will see a profile icon. Click on the profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear after clicking on your profile. After that, find Logout option from here. From the drop-down option, choose this button. After that, you will be redirected to another page. So, after following these steps, you will be logged out of a VistaCreate account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.